Hey guys, Todd here with a little tutorial on how to use my camera. That'll be the second camera for now until we get another one. So just a real quick overview of the camera. This black part here is the body of the camera. The white part here is the lens. Just so you're aware of if I mention something or where to grab it or that kind of thing. On the lens itself right here, you have two rings. The ring closest to the body of the camera is the zoom ring. So if you want to zoom all the way out to the widest angle, to the 70, that's you twist it that way, and it goes counterclockwise to 200, which is the most zoomed in you can get. This next ring right here is a focus ring. That's for focusing the camera. More on that later on. So again, focus ring is furthest away from the body of the camera, and zoom ring is closest. Back here, in the back of the camera, you have your on-off switch. So go off, on, you'll hear it click. That means it's on. Typically I'll be here on a Sunday to help with the settings. But what we do is we keep it on manual, the M. I change it to 1/60th of a second. It's a 60 there, and F4. The 4 means how much light it's letting in, and the ISO is on A. But like I said, I will be able to help you with that. So I'm going to start a next video here so it doesn't get too long about how to actually operate the camera on a Sunday morning.